So good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman and here are the news headlines for today. Catella and DWS have received double platinum certifications for multi-family housing complex in Copenhagen. TMS Investitia has acquired the Holiday Inn Resort in Warsaw. Dom Development launches Mokotów Sportowy project in Warsaw, and there's been a groundbreaking ceremony held for MLP Business Park in Vienna.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this Coffee with Craig show. We started off, of course, with Winston and the highlights, very exciting highlights for today. And we're all back in Warsaw after our big Baltic Real Estate Awards in Sopot. So great to see everybody back. Lots of interesting news happening on the market, as you see. And we are now focusing on, summer's almost here. So we're really focusing on after summer and the next events. The next magazines you don't want to miss. It's the investment guide going out at Expo Real, and straight after that, the retail guide going out at MAPIC. So if you have any opportunities for investors or retailers, let us know. We want to get you in the next edition. We also have our two biggest events in October. We have our investment awards taking place in Warsaw on the 24th of October. And a week earlier, we've got our CRE Awards taking place the 15th, which is on a Tuesday this year, 15th of October in Budapest, again at the Intercontinental Hotel. So a lot going on. We're excited about that. We've also got a couple of extra weeks available to sponsor the Coffee with Craig show. So if you're looking to do an interview and get some information out before the summer, now is the time to do it. On the Coffee with Craig show, we always guarantee over 25,000 viewers just on LinkedIn. And we're working on getting close to our 800th show on Coffee with Craig show as well. So now we'll take a little break and we'll shoot over to Winston for the final news, and we'll see you on Wednesday morning with the news.
Welcome back. So Greenpoint, which is a multi-family housing complex, has been awarded the first DGNB Platinum Green Building rating for a build-to-rent project in Copenhagen, as well as the first Wired Score Home Platinum certificate in Denmark for its digital connectivity. The complex includes 445 affordable rental apartments designed for multi-generational living, and it's a project that's a joint venture between Catella, DWS and Nordkranen. And the construction of the complex started in 2022, and the first of the 65 units will be available in June 2024. And the whole project is set to be completed by the end of 2025. And according to Morten Gustavsson, Managing Director of Catella Investment Management Denmark, ESG is at the core of our values and embedded into everything we do in project management. We believe that the property captures many important socio-economic trends that make it relevant to tenants not only today, but many years from now. Moving on, and in Poland, Greenberg Traurig has represented TMS Investitia in the transaction of the 148-room hotel in Resort Warsaw Józefów from the Aquila Group. The transaction included both the property and a stake in Aquila Hotel, the company that operates the Holiday Inn Resort Józefów. And according to Jolanta Nowotska-Zimok, managing partner of Greenberg Traurig, we are delighted to have assisted our client in the transaction, which not only strengthens its position in the hotel market, but also opens up new opportunities for synergy and growth. Moving on, and Dom Development has launched Mokotów Sportowy, a residential project in Warsaw. The company plans to build at least 1,300 apartments on the site, while the whole neighbourhood has the potential for some 10,000 apartments. The site is covered by a zoning plan that, in addition to residential construction, also foresees numerous services like schools, cultural facilities and recreational areas. as well as extensive network of streets and tram lines. 3 buildings will be constructed in phase 1 with 155 apartments, and the first residents are set to move in the first quarter of 2026. And according to Yaroslav Shinyaitsa, CEO of Dom Development, we are committed to implementing all the principles of a 15-minute city. A huge advantage of the site is extensive green recreational areas and its close vicinity to Warsaw city centre. And finally for today, moving to Vienna, and the MLP Group has celebrated the beginning of construction work on MLP Business Park Vienna. The ceremony was attended by the general contractor Goldberg and the MLP Group, as well as Karl Gaster, deputy head of Vienna's 22nd district. And Karl Gasker commented, "This former industrial site located adjacent to the city centre lay fallow for a long time. Now, thanks to extensive redevelopment, this area is being transformed into needed new space." And Peter Fab, Chief Country Officer at Austria at MLP Group, "Our investment in Vienna is generating significant interest. We have already secured our first agreement with a future tenant, and the logistics development is expected to be completed in early 2025. And those are the news headlines for today. For more news, please join us again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.